Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to protect one of your most prized possessions, your iPhone 16 Pro Max. We stumbled upon the ZAGG Glass Screen Protector, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the ZAGG Glass Plus? This is a state-of-the-art tempered glass screen protector designed specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It boasts a remarkable strength, claiming to be 3 times stronger than an unprotected screen. This means it's engineered to provide reliable impact and shatter protection, giving you peace of mind that your device is safeguarded against everyday accidents. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this screen protector. One of the key highlights is its superior strength. Whether you accidentally drop your phone or it gets bumped against a hard surface, the ZAGG Glass Plus is designed to absorb that impact and keep your screen intact. This is particularly beneficial for those who are often on the go or have a busy lifestyle. Another impressive feature is its scratch and smudge resistance. The precision surface finishing offers maximum scratch resistance, which means you can toss your phone in your bag without worrying about keys or other items causing damage. Plus, the oil-resistant coating is a game changer. It helps prevent fingerprints and smudges, keeping your screen looking crystal clear at all times. You can enjoy a pristine display that's easy to see, no matter the lighting conditions. Speaking of clarity, one aspect that many users appreciate is the smooth, silky feel of the ZAGG Glass Plus. It closely mimics the original screen of your iPhone 16 Pro Max, which ensures that swiping and scrolling feels effortless. This is particularly important for those who use their phones frequently for browsing, gaming, or streaming content. You won't have to sacrifice the tactile experience of your device while ensuring it's well protected. Installation is another area where the ZAGG Glass Plus shines. The easy apply tabs and tray make it incredibly easy to align the screen protector perfectly on your phone. Even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you can install it without a hitch, ensuring a bubble-free application. Plus, the fact that it's made from 100% recycled materials makes it a more sustainable choice, an important consideration for many consumers today. So, who is the ZAGG Glass Plus suitable for? If you own an iPhone 16 Pro Max and want to keep your device in pristine condition, this screen protector is a must-have. It's ideal for anyone who leads an active lifestyle, whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling multiple tasks, or a student constantly on the move. Essentially, if you want to protect your investment and maintain your phone's aesthetics, this product is for you. Now, let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine you're out at a cafe, and while sipping your coffee, your phone slips from your hand. With the ZAGG Glass Plus in place, you can have peace of mind knowing that your screen is protected from potential cracks and scratches. Or perhaps you're at the gym, placing your phone on the equipment. You can rest easy knowing that the screen is shielded against any accidental bumps. Lastly, ZAGG offers a limited lifetime warranty, which means if your screen protector ever gets worn or damaged, they will replace it for as long as you own your device. This adds an extra layer of confidence in your purchase, knowing that you're covered. In conclusion, the ZAGG Glass Plus screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to keep their device safe and looking great. With its impressive strength, scratch and smudge resistance, and user-friendly installation, it checks all the boxes for quality and functionality. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.